Hey guys, are you thinking about buying a new construction here in Spotsylvania? Today we are going to tour another Walt's new construction. This one's the Keystone 2, which is one of their one-story models. But instead of like most videos where I'm like doing the walking tour with you guys, I think I'm just going to shoot it in B-roll and sit back and relax. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 1680 square foot. Now this house is on a crawl space, but it also helps out with the price point. Now a lot of these houses you're seeing with basements going into the 500,000 and 600,000s. Here we're going to be priced under 500,000, so it helps out with that price point, but you are on a crawl space. This house is on a couple acres of land as well, and it's about 10 minutes from the Spotsylvania courthouse. So without me talking anymore, let's just get you into the tour of this house.